Assalamu alaikum everyone. A warm welcome to all of you. Thank you for joining this session. Now let me begin with a simple question. Have you ever wondered that small actions in our daily life can create a big impact on our planet? Today I am going to talk about my topic, small actions, big impact, conserving natural resources in our daily life. The idea is very simple yet powerful. Small steps taken by individuals every day can lead to big positive change for environment and future generation. Water is essential, but it is facing serious problems. Leaking taps and pipe waste large amount of water. Overuse in agriculture and industries increase demand. Rivers and lakes are polluted by chemicals and waste. Actions or solutions that we can take to conserve waters are: to reduce water waste, we should fix leaks and use low flow taps to conserve water. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater is collected from roofs, carried through pipes, stored in tanks, and excess water is used to discharge groundwater. This is how rainwater harvesting helps conserve water. Now let's move to the next solution. Drip irrigation. Drip irrigation delivers water directly to the plant roots using pipes as shown in figure, which saves water, increase efficiency and improve plant growth. Treat wastewater before releasing. This diagram shows how wastewater is treated before releasing. First, screening removes large particles. Then primary treatment settles solid particle. Next, aeration, which is also known as secondary treatment, break down harmful substances. After that, filtration removes fine impurities. Finally, disinfection kills germs, making water safe. Forests are facing serious problems today. Trees are being cut down for timber, fuel, and to clear land for farming and construction. This leads to soil erosion, where the soil becomes weak and can be washed away easily. It also destroys the natural habitat of wildlife, forcing animals to lose their homes. In addition, fewer trees mean less oxygen production and more climate problems like global warming. Actions or solutions that we can take to conserve forests are: the given image show the two environmental processes, reforestation and afforestation. In reforestation, past a standing forest, usually 50 years old, is cut or burned. Then in present, the forest is replanted. In future, a new standing forest is restored. But in afforestation process, a non-forest area exists as shown in the diagram. Present forests are planted there. Future, a standing forest is established. Both processes aim to increase forest cover, but reforestation restores a previously forested area, while afforestation creates forest where there was none before. Use of alternative fuels. Use solar and biogas instead of fossil fuels. They are clean, renewable, and reduce pollution. Ban illegal logging and protect forest. Stop illegal tree cutting and protect forest to save wildlife. Reduce deforestation and maintain environmental balance. Next is air problems. Emission from vehicles, factories, and the burning of fossil fuels and the waste release harmful substances into the air. These gases pollute the atmosphere and reduce air quality. As a result, people may face health problems like breathing difficulties, while the environment also gets damaged, contributing to climate change. Actions: we can use public transports, bikes or electric vehicles to reduce air pollution. Use renewable energy like solar, wind and hydro. Reduce burning of waste material. Soil problems. Over farming and excessive use of chemical fertilizer reduce soil fertility. They also lead to soil erosion and can eventually cause desertification, making land less productive. Next action we can take a crop rotation and organic factor farming. The image shows a solution called crop rotation in organic farming. Crop rotation means growing different types of crops in the same field in sequential seasons to improve soil health. The diagram shows a 2-year cycle with 4 crops grow: legumes, root crops, leafy crops, cereals. By rotating them, legumes restore nitrogen in the soil. Root crops, example carrots etc., loosen the soils. Leafy crops, cabbage, add organic matter, while cereals, wheat feed the soil. By rotating them, the soil stay fertile, reduce pest and boost yield without synthetic chemicals, which is a key practice in organic farming. Plant cover crops and trees to prevent erosion. Plant covered crop and trees helps protect the soil from erosion by holding it together with roots and reducing the impact of wind and water. Sunlight problems. Sunlight is not efficiently harnessed in homes, schools and industries. Over-dependence on electricity reduces sustainability. This means we are not using solar energy properly, even though it is a clean and renewable source. As a result, more pressure is placed on non-renewable energy sources, which harm the environment. Actions that we can take to conserve sunlight: install solar panel on rooftops, use solar power devices for lighting and heating, educate people on solar energy benefits. Food problems. Food are also facing many problems like wastage due to overbuying, improper storage and spoilage. Unequal distribution leads to hunger in some areas. Actions or solutions that we can take are: store food properly to prevent spoilage, donate surplus food to needy communities, grow and buy locally produced food to reduce waste. Next is animal problem. Animal population are facing serious problem today. One of the biggest issues is overhunting, where animals are hunted faster than they can reproduce. Poaching is another major problem. It means the illegal hunting of animals for their skin, horns, teeth or other part of the body. Habitat destruction is also a serious threat. Forests are being cut down for road, buildings and farming, which destroy animals' natural home. Actions we should take to protect forest are: protect wildlife habitat and create reservoir, ban poaching and hunting endangered species, especially of desert and endangered animals. Strict law and proper enforcement are needed. Promote awareness about animal conservation. We should also promote awareness about animal conservation. People need to understand why animals are important for our ecosystem. Nuclear energy problems. Radioactive waste disposal issues, risk of accidents. Nuclear energy produces radioactive waste that stays dangerous for a long time and is difficult to dispose of. It also carries the risk of serious accidents and harmful radiation leaks, which can damage human, animals and the environment. Now let's move to the next slide, which is nuclear energy solutions or action that we can take. To make nuclear energy safe, strict safety rules and monitoring are necessary so that accident can be avoided. At the same time, research should be done on the safe disposal of radioactive waste to keep the environment safe. Nuclear energy should be used responsibly and in a planned way for a large-scale electricity production. Biomass problem. Instead of properly using crop residues and leftover agricultural material, they are often burned, which causes air pollution and damage the environment. A large amount of material is wasted or used through traditional methods, which reduces energy efficiency. Moving to the solution. To solve biomass problem, modern biomass plants should be used for electricity production, where waste is efficiently converted into energy. At the same time, converting agriculture waste into energy should be encouraged so that crop residues can be turned into useful energy instead of being burned. It is also very important to promote biogas plant in rural areas so that clean energy can be produced from local waste and pollution can be reduced. Natural gas problems. Leakage causes wastage and greenhouse gases because natural gas emit greenhouse gases. It is a non-renewable resource, so there will be risk of to run out eventually. Actions or steps that we should take: regular maintenance to avoid leaks, use gas efficient appliances, transition to renewable energy gradually. Biofuel problems. Biofuel production often uses byproducts that are not completely clean or sustainable. If poor production methods are used, it can be harm agriculture, such as affecting crops quality and reducing soil fertility. Moving to the solution, biofuel solution. To improve biofuel, investment should be made in a sustainable biofuel production so that clean and efficient method can be used. At the same time, the use of biofuels in vehicles and industries should be promoted to reduce dependence on fossil fuels. Another important solution is research on algae-based biofuel, which avoid competition with crops and provide a more sustainable energy option. Sustainable use of resources. United Nations concept: reduce, minimize waste production, reuse, use item again instead of throwing, recycle, convert waste into usable materials. It helps to reduce pressure on natural resources, also save energy, water and raw material. Now let's move to the next slide. The image shows a circular diagram divided into 3 colored sections that illustrate the 3 R's of waste management: reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce, yellow top left quadrant. It shows that it means cutting down consumptions and waste, using energy efficient bulbs and saving resources like water. Then reuse. It promotes using items multiple times, example given bags, to lessen the need for new products and protect the environment. Recycle. It shows sorting and processing waste into recyclable materials to reuse in new product. Pakistan Sustainability Journey, Initiatives and Progress. Key green projects. The main focus is on 2 large-scale programs, the Billion Tree Tsunami and the 10 Billion Tree Tsunami afforestation projects. These initiatives aim to restore forest, improve biodiversity and combat climate change by massive tree plantation campaign across Pakistan. Current progress and utilizations. The implementation is divided into 3 focus areas: energy, community, waste management. Energy. Shifting toward renewable sources like solar roof projects in communities and wind to reduce fossil fuel dependence. Next, community. Encouraging local involvement in green activities such as planting trees in neighborhoods and promoting environmental awareness. Waste management. Improving recycling and proper disposal system to handle urban waste sustainability. Now we discuss programs that are applied in Pakistan related to each point. Billion and 10 billion tree tsunami. Government lead massive deforestation drives in provinces like KPK and Punjab, involving communities, nurseries and job creation for plantation. Renewable energy projects, initiatives like the Quaid-e-Azam Solar Park and wind energy projects in Sindh and Balochistan to boost clean energy production. Community green programs, local Green Pakistan campaigns that engage schools and NGOs in tree planting and environmental education. Next, waste management schemes, municipal waste segregation and recycling project in cities like Karachi and Islamabad supported by the Clean Green Pakistan program. The overall message is a sustainable Pakistan, every effort counts, emphasizing collective action in our community, involvement and waste handling to achieve environmental sustainability. The final message which I want to deliver is that natural resources on our planet are limited and we cannot create more of them. Misuse today leads to shortage tomorrow. If we waste water, energy, forest or other resources, future generation will face serious problem. Responsible use ensures survival. By using resources wisely, planting trees, saving water and reducing waste, we protect life on the earth. Remember, small action, big impact. Every small effort like switching off lights, saving water or recycling adds up to create a huge positive change. Our goal is to protect the earth for future generations so they can enjoy clean air, fresh water, greenery and a healthy planet just like we do today. In short, act responsibly today so the planet stays safe and sustainable for tomorrow. Thank you for your time and attention. If you have any question, feel free to ask me.